Welcome to another delicious adventure with Duey C.K. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of autumn flavors with a classic pear tart. Perfectly ripe pears, a buttery crust, and a hint of spice make this dessert a seasonal favorite. But before we get our hands dusty with flour, let's take a quick trip into the history of this autumn delight. Pears have been cherished since ancient times, with records of their cultivation dating back to 5000 BC in Asia. The Romans were particularly fond of pears and often poached them in honey and wine. Fast forward to the French, who perfected the art of tart making, and we get the elegant pear tart that graces our tables today. Now, let's get to baking. Start by preparing your pastry dough. Combine flour, sugar, and cold butter until crumbly, then add water until it forms a dough. Chill it in the fridge. For the filling, peel and slice your pears. Toss them in lemon juice, cinnamon, and a touch of nutmeg. Roll out your chilled dough and fit it into a tart pan. Arrange the pear slices elegantly on top and bake until golden brown and fragrant. Serve warm with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. There you have it, a perfect autumn pear tart, rich in history and flavor, straight from Duey C.K.'s kitchen.